Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I got a real sloppy chart of Tesla. So the company reported earnings. I don't care what they were. Didn't even look at them. I just see the stock. And it is flopping and bobbing and weaving all over the place. Big move higher as the lemmings rush in. They probably saw one great number and decided it was time to buy. And now the stock's right back essentially to where it was when it closed. So this is right now, let me get to a different chart that doesn't have all this cloud cover on it. This is a stock that right now is still stuck below 750. Now, I know that you're really eager to buy Tesla because you don't want to miss it before it runs back up and everybody else gets rich except you. However, I wouldn't suggest doing that right now. My only suggestion is this. You got to respect this 750 or even 760 level. It's capped every single rally that this has had, you know, since May when it did put in a bottom that really does look like about 630. So I think you got to just sit tight on this for a while. I wouldn't own it. There's no way I would own this stock right now. Not because I think it's going lower, but because I don't think it's really likely to go much higher, at least not enough to pay me off for owning this stock as opposed to like the QLD. I like this better. I get Tesla and owe so much more. So consider that we've got this on our active trade list now. Consider the QLD over TSLA. I think you're going to make more money. You probably won't have as much fun, but you're going to make more money. See you tomorrow.